May 5, 20 current price 32,558.73 as of 09 DAS. 1. Trend and moving averages. Indicator status signal. 20 EMA 3 to 50 $50 support. Price trading above. 50 EMA 3,247 $10 support. Bullish slope. 200 EMA 3,249.60 price just above. Key trend confirmation. Short-term trend bullish. 20 EMA, 50 EMA, 200 EMA bullish alignment. Price is holding above all major EMAs. A strong signal of strength. Momentum building. EMAs are starting to fan upward, indicating growing momentum. 2. RSI, Relative Strength Index, 14. Current RSI, 55.19. Neutral bullish zone. Suggests there's room to climb before overbought territory. 70. No divergence observed. RSI is confirming price movement upward. 3. Price, structure, and key levels. Support zones. S1, 3,245, 2050 EMA support cluster. S2, 3,220. Previous higher low on May 3, 4. S3, 3,145, May 1 swing low, trend invalidation zone. Resistance zones. R1, $3,275, local high from early May 13. R2, 3,300, key psychological level, plus previous support, now resistance. R3, $3,345, major resistance from April 29 to 30. Forecast summary. Bias, bullish intraday. If price holds above 3,245s and 2050 EMAs, we may see a move to test $3,275 and potentially $3,300. If it breaks 3,275s with volume, price could rally toward 3,300, 3,345. Intraday trade plan, May 5, 2025. Type entry stop loss, take profit. Long 3,250, 3,255 inners. On dip, 3,220, 3,275, 3,300. Aggressive long breakout above 3,275, 3,245, 3,300, 3,345.